Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to hide video on Realme C67 device. People may hide videos on their gallery phone for privacy and security purpose. Videos can also contain sensitive or personal content that users may want to keep private. Well, here are the steps to do. First thing first, open Please Files application on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select Save Folder. Well, and then here will appear the attention that all files in Save Folder are protected by a lock. And then you can select between these two options. Okay, and then please set a pin. After that, click Next. And then confirm it as before. Okay. After that, to move a video to Save Folder, you can select it and then click three line. After that, press on Move to Save Folder. Okay, and then enter your pin here. After that, click Next. Okay, and then now the video on your device is successfully hidden. Well, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.